All right, peoples out there, we're going to do CodeAcademy lesson 9, part 5. We're going to access an index of our array list. Okay, so in your note, get out your notes, write 9.5 array list, access an index at the top of your notes, also write your name. And then after you write down your intelligent question, get those signed off. So we're going to come over here to accessing an index. You're going to read this. I'm going to read this, and you're going to write down an intelligent question. Okay, so in order to add, we know how to, so in an array, we just use the bracket, right? Hey, we want to access the element at index number 1, right? That doesn't work for an array list, so we use the get. So we put the name of the array list dot get. That's the get method, and then we put the index number. Okay. So what I want you to do is we actually already did this once, but we're going to do it again. So what I want you to do is, after you write down your intelligent question and get that signed off, I want you to open up. Write down your intelligent question. I want you to open up JDoodle, save it as 9.5, and I want you to print out index number 1, 2, and 3 of your array list. All right, let's see what that's going to look like. All right, so we're going to come over here to JDoodle. You're going to hit the little hamburger. You're going to say save as. You're going to say CodeAcademy 9.5. And you're going to save it as. Now I'm trying to upload 2 videos at once. It's really upset. What are you going to do? I should just wait. I could hit pause. I'm going to hit pause. Okay, so all right, so if we're going to print out 1, 2, and 3, so we're going to come over back to JDoodle here, and we're going to say system.out.print line, and then you're going to have to say my hobbies 1, my hobbies 2, .get. So that's key right there, and then so this should be 0, 1, and then 2. There we go. Because all right. Let's execute that. See what happens. Oh, I forgot the semicolon here. Do a little semicolon. Let's show that. Okay, so there we go. Backpacking, camping, and boom. All right, so printed out each element in the array. Let's go back to the spiel here. All right, make sure you get that signed off, 9.5, and now complete part 5 in CodeAcademy. So I can help you do it, but you should probably be able to do that easily on your own. Let's go to CodeAcademy, and it says use the get to access the third to-do element of Sherlock Holmes and print the result. Okay, so they're going to want us to do that. Print Sherlock's third to-do. All right. So we'll copy the system.out.print line, and we want to get. So we'll copy that. So we're going to say dot get, and then we're going to get the third one. And let's hit run and see what happens. Okay, so I didn't like it. Well, I made the classic mistake of they wanted the third one, so it's 0, 1, 2. So that's why I didn't like it. So let's see if it's happy now. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it likes it. All right, use the get to x as a second to do element of rows to do. Okay, so we're gonna copy this, but in this one it's gonna be for rows to do to do's. And they want the second. Okay, so it's going to be 0, 1. And I did print out the results of I get 1. Huh. I don't know what I did what they asked. I don't know what they want. Hold on. Okay, so I didn't really do anything wrong. Sometimes they get mad if there's like an extra space somewhere and it's hard to find. Like, okay, where's the extra space? That doesn't make a difference, but they don't like it. Anyway, so that's it. It should look something like that, and then we're going to go into part 6. All right, thank you guys.